Okay, so the question says a car starting from rest reaches a speed of 20 meters per second after 60 minutes, and it then maintains that speed for 4.5 seconds. So we want to find out how far the car traveled from its initial position. So first of all, let us do a simple sketch of what this setup might look like. So let's say we have our starting point here, and then the car travels some distance. Well, we know the distance to be 60 meters, so it travels to this point 60 meters in some time t, and then and after the first 60 meters it is at 20 meters per second. 20 meters per second. The car then travels a further distance while maintaining that 20 meters per second speed in 4.5 seconds. 4.5 seconds. So we want to find out this distance here. This distance here, in order to find the total distance that the car traveled. So we have our variables written down. So let's construct our magic triangle to better manipulate these variables. So we draw a magic triangle like this, and we know that speed or velocity is equal to the distance over time. So since we are interested in the distance, which is here, we're going to isolate this term here and focus on these two. So we then see then that the distance is equal to the speed times time. So that gives us speed 20 meters per second and time 4.5 seconds. So put our bracket 4.5 seconds, and that works out to be 90 meters. But the question asks us for the total distance from the initial point. So it first traveled at 60 meters and then it traveled 90 meters. So therefore, total distance is equal to the sum of these two distances, the distance here and the distance here. So that is 60 meters plus 90 meters, which equates to 150 meters. So the car traveled a total distance of 150 meters from this point here down to the end point here. You can find more great physics tutorials like these over on my website at realjuniorroberts.com.